Hello again guys, and thanks for joining me. So today I'm talking about our featured Habanos brand of the month, which this month is Partagas. So we've reached week number 4. So the final part of the story goes as follows. In 2005, a Piramides, the Partagas Serie P No. 2, was added to the range, which has fast become a cigar of choice amongst lovers of full-flavoured Habanos. In 2011, the Serie D No. 5 and the heavier engaged Serie E No. 2 extended the alphabet series once again. All sizes are triple lager, totalmente a mano, long filler, totally handmade, and all are full flavour. So, for week 4, we are featuring the Serie P No. 2. Now, this is a classic size that you should be very used to in the Cuban portfolio. It's the same size as the Montecristo No. 2, the Diplomaticos No. 2, and the Cohiba Piramides extra as well. So they are a large sort of cigar with a good ring gauge to them, but they taper off at the end, giving you that pyramid shape. So this is a fantastic full-bodied version of a pyramid, and it's got those rich Partagas flavours, very earthy, a slight bit of spice to it as well. These have been rated 90 out of 100 in Cigar Aficionado magazine, so they are very highly rated. They are smoking incredibly well at the moment. It's just getting full depth of the flavours, full complexity. There's little sort of slightly fruity notes coming up. It's all of what you get from a quality Partagas in this large length and good ring gauge. It allows you to experience everything that's made this brand one of the most famous and most appreciated and adored brands in the world. So head to Cigars.com, that's CGRS.com, and grab yourself some. As I said, they are smoking phenomenally at the moment. If you are a regular smoker of the P2s, then grab a box because you will not regret these. Oh yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything you'd like to see me sample next or anything you'd like to see featured as our featured Habanos brand of the month. Thanks, cheers.